Hello viewers, today we are going to look at examples of storage devices. In the previous lesson, we talked about some of the examples of storage devices. Today, we are going to talk about the same issue. Let us look at hard disks as another example of a storage device. A hard disk is a magnetic disk on which you can store computer data. A hard disk usually consists of several inflexible circular disks called platters on which data, instructions, and information are stored electronically. This statement is very suitable with the internal hard disk. The internal hard disk comes along with the computers. It may be a desktop computer or a laptop. A hard disk is also known as a hard disk drive, as abbreviated. Hard disks are sealed tightly to keep out contaminants like dust and smoke, which can lead to head crashes. If your hard disk is having head crashes, it may fail to read the information. If you have an external hard disk and you insert it in the computer may fail to display the information. Types of hard disks: we have the internal hard disk and the external hard disks. The internal hard disks are different from the external hard disks in appearance. The internal hard disks, these are high-speed and high-storage capacity hard disks that cannot be removed from the disk drives. As I earlier said, that these ones come along with the computers and they are found inside the computer. The external hard disks, as you see in the illustrations, these are special types of hard disks that may be inserted in the computer when there is need for storage and then removed thereafter. Advantages of hard disks. Hard disks provide far much longer storage capacity, meaning that they store a lot of data. Provide faster and convenient data access time. If you want to access data or to retrieve data from the computer, it does not take a lot of time, it is faster. Hard disks are cheaper than floppy disks per megabyte. Since some reside inside the computer, they cannot be stolen or misplaced. Like the internal hard disks, they come along with the computer, so they cannot easily be misplaced. The data life of hard disks is long once in use. So if you use these hard disks, either internal or external, they cannot be destroyed quickly, or it takes a lot of time to get destroyed, or you can use it for a long period of time. Hard disks are reliable and have better protection against dust and dirt. As you see in the illustration, the external hard disks, they are protected in that dust cannot easily be affected by dust because they are protected. Then we have disadvantages of hard disks. They are not portable, especially those that reside inside the computer. Since I said that these internal hard disks come along with the computer, take for instance, if you have the desktop computer, the desktop computer has a system unit, and that's where we find the internal hard disk. It means they are heavy, you have to carry the whole system. Hard disks are expensive. whether internal or external. You need to have money to have it. Data becomes less secure if left on the hard disk. May fail due to violent shaking. That goes along with handling. How do you handle your hard disk? Virus attacks render data life limited in case of unprotected system. Take for instance, if you have your computer and doesn't have an antivirus and you usually use this hard disk to store data, that hard disk may be affected by a virus, and then the information on the hard disk can be attacked by a virus and you cannot be able to access it. Head crashes may occur due to extreme shock or contaminants. If the hard disk, this one is very true with the external hard disk, if you just leave it there and you don't protect it, it may be destroyed by moisture, or if you leave it in the sunshine, it may expand. Disks are affected by magnetic fields since their storage media is made of the same material. Since they are metallic, they expand and contract due to changes in temperatures, since this may lead to data loss. Why a hard disk may fail to operate? Aging. That is our first point. You may use that hard disk for a long period of time, so it may fail to operate. Violent shaking, the way how you handle your hard disk. Power failures. If there is a problem of power failures, maybe on the system, it just comes and then it is switched off, so it damages the hard disks. If you leave your hard disk in the system unit for a longer period of time and that system unit is on power, it destroys that hard disk. Then virus attacks. If your system is not protected, when you don't have antiviruses like the Kaspersky, like the Avast, then your data may be in a problem that is on the hard disk. Then excessive heat, as I earlier explained, that also destroys the hard disk. Excessive humid conditions. If you leave your hard disk in cold temperatures, maybe you leave it outside, you don't mind, you don't care for it, so it may fail to display the information if you want it. Then this is your assignment. As you at home, suggest 6 ways on which you can properly handle a hard disk. Thank you so much for listening, and for more information, please visit the link below, www.trikona.ac.ug/e-library. We meet in another lesson. Thank you so much.